What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my little 5-minute minimalist makeup, and I'm going to be using our products from Merit Beauty. These are products that I use on my skin when I just want my skin but better, and this video is in partnership with Merit Beauty, so thank you Merit Beauty for partnering with me on this video. They are having a Black Friday sale right now, and it is running from November 23rd to November 28th, where you can shop all of the products that I'll be showing in this video for 20% off using my link down in the description box. And they are also having daily doorbusters with limited deals on their sets, so you don't want to miss out because it's their only sale of the year, y'all. Their only sale of the year. So if you ever wanted to try out this brand, then this is your time to go ahead and shop it, y'all. And also what I love about their products is that they are made with non-acne triggering ingredients. So these are safe for acne prone skin. It's not going to cause additional breakouts onto your skin. One thing I hate is when I wear makeup and then I get a pimple throughout the day from the makeup clogging my pores, and this is not going to do that. These products are lightweight, very hydrating, and they are formulated with skin care ingredients. So it's also going to provide additional benefits to your skin and not just making it look good. So these products, like I stated, I really love them. I have been using them for a while, including their Great Skin Glow Serum. And this is the new skincare product. And this serum is supposed to provide hydration, and it has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in it, which niacinamide is going to help brighten your skin, and hyaluronic acid is going to provide additional hydration to your skin. The only thing I would say about this product is that it is very messy. It's more like a water consistency instead of a thicker consistency like an actual serum. But it is fast absorbing, and it provides a little glow to your skin. As you can see, I do have like a glow to my skin, which I do really love about it. But I also wish that they would have a better pump that's less messy, and 2, that it's a thicker consistency. But I have been using this for about 2 days, and I really do love it. You can use it on its own or as a base for your makeup. And like I said, you get all these products on their website for 20% off. And this is their only sale of the year, so you don't want to miss out, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all how I put my makeup on and everything in the order that I put it in when I do use their products. So like I said, you can use it alone or you can use it with a moisturizer. So I'm just going to apply moisturizer to my skin because I need that additional moisture. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll leave the link for you guys down in the description box. And thank you Merit Beauty for partnering with me on this video. So yeah, I've been using that serum for about 2 days because I like to try out my products before I use them or promote them to you guys. But like I said, I've been using their products for a very long time, and I love it because they have skincare ingredients in there, and it's really going to provide me additional benefits to my skin. And I did notice that that serum did make my skin a lot more calmer. Like I had a little bit of redness from, you know, pimples or from, you know, I don't know, products that I've been using that's probably not in agreement with my skin. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. My skin be tripping. It be tripping. Oh, and I forgot to mention that every order, your first order comes with a signature bag, and this is what it looks like. So you can put your makeup in it. You could use it as a purse to go out. I've seen people on Instagram wear this as a purse. I've also worn it as a purse. It's reusable, it's washable. If it gets dirty, you just pop that joint into the washing machine and you're good. Let it dry. So yeah. And I also got like a tinted lip oil from them. I use it as like a lip gloss, but it is clear in the shade Bel Air, and this is what it looks like. I've been using this a couple days too. And can we get into the packaging? The packaging looks so luxurious, y'all. They are so luxurious. And look at this. Look at these. Oh my god, they just look so cute on your vanity. Even their lipstick, y'all. Lipstick look good. So yeah, so what I'm gonna use first is I'm gonna go in with this Minimalist Stick. It is a complexion stick. It is not a foundation. It's not a concealer. I use it more as a spot treatment. So I like to go in and spot conceal my dark spots and my blemishes so that it can give me more of a uniformed look for my face. This is like I said, when I don't want to wear foundation or anything. And look at that. It automatically like covers my dark spots. And I just use my fingers to blend it in. And this is in the shade SEPIA. And like I said, this is just something that I like to do to spot conceal. I've shown this product on my website on my channel before, so you guys may have already seen it, but I use it to spot conceal because like I said, I'm not doing too much. It's Thanksgiving. What am I saying? Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. How did I forget to tell y'all happy Thanksgiving? Today's Thanksgiving and I'm about to go to my aunt's house and I'm about to eat and play with my niece, so I don't want all that makeup on my face anyways. And like I said, this is what I do on a day where I just want like a little quick 1-2, nothing too crazy. And I use this little stick, complexion stick, to spot conceal, and then I just use my fingers to like blend it in so that I could still get my skin but better. Like I said, their products are very lightweight and buildable, so you can always add more to your liking, but I prefer to just use them as a spot concealer because my overall face is not that bad. I just have like a couple blemishes here and there, and I've been working on my dark spots. But like I stated, their products have skincare ingredients in them, so over time they will help address certain concerns. Like for me, my dark spots and hyperpigmentation is one of my main concerns, but I've been working on that and finding out more ingredients that I can use that's going to help lighten them and brighten my overall skin tone over time. And like I said, this serum is meant to help brighten your skin and also give you like that glass-like looking appearance. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that, the complexion stick, to spot conceal. And then I'm gonna go in with their brow pomade in black brown. This is a volumizing pomade, and you just basically brush it up onto your skin. But like I say, y'all, this is not like a foundation concealer routine. This is something that is like a quick 1-2. If you ain't got no time and you don't want to do too much, 1-2. 1-2. So this is gonna add a little bit of color, but it's not gonna give you no boxy brows. It's just gonna be, you know, a little 1-2. Add a little bit of shade and color. As y'all see, it just added like, you know, some color. And also my bald spots on my eyebrows, it gave it a little bit of, you know, something. And I just drank some coffee, y'all, and I am jittery as heck. Like my hands are like shaking. But this is what I do. This is for the brows. Just add a little bit of color to it. Give it a little bit of volume. Zhuzh it up. And I am one of those girls that pretty much, I will bareface anywhere, but I'll wear makeup if I have to. I really don't like to wear makeup, but I'm trying to start getting into it because, you know, some places you might just want to do a little something, something to your face. And like I said, these products are what I use to do a little something, something to my face. The next thing I'm going to go in back again with the Minimalist Stick. And I also have their blushes. So this is like a pinky one, and this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Cheeky, and this one is in the shade Mood. I love Mood because it's like a dark purple. So y'all, get into it. Get into it. All I'm missing is their highlighter and a bronzer, y'all, and I'll have a full face. So y'all know exactly what I'm about to cop during this sale. I'm about to get me the bronzer and the highlighter. Those are usually on sold out actually. So this one is in Cacao or Cocoa. This is what it is, like a darker brown, and I'm just gonna use it on the side of my face just to give me a little bit of, because this one's a lot darker than my skin. I mean, it kind of looked like it's my skin tone, but not really. I'm just gonna apply that right here. And I'm gonna go in with just the brush to just give it some depth to my face, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of something, because you know. And like I said, these products is not going to give you like a drastic change to your face. It's just going to give you a little something, like a little pigment here and there to your skin. So I'm just going to put that here and swipe the rest onto the side of my face. And it looks like I'm going to need some more of this right here where I have hyperpigmentation. I'm gonna put that there and use my fingers to just melt it into my skin. And I still want it to look like my face, but not doing too much. Give it a little bit of, and I'm gonna wipe some around the corners of my mouth because I have some hyperpigmentation there too. And like I said, this could be a quick little routine, but since I'm doing this on camera for you guys, it takes me a little bit longer. But in real life, I just be like boom, 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 just applying that joint on under. And then for under my eyes, I'm going to go in with Amber. This is another complexion stick. And this is a lighter shade. And I'm just going to pop that right underneath my eye. Just to give it a little, just to make me look a little bit more awake. And I'm going to go in with this finger as well. And just tap that in there. And as you can see, y'all, it just melts right into my skin and gives it like a little bit of coverage, but nothing too crazy. And like I said, you could do this with your fingers. You could do it with the brush if you like, but this is just adding a little bit of coverage. And the thing is, you can't even tell that I have anything on my face. Like, you can't even tell. Which is like, huh, dope. Dope, 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 dope. So I'm gonna tap that in. And you don't really need to set this either if you don't want to. But I have combination skin, so since I didn't apply it all over my face, it's not really gonna make me look crazy. It's just gonna give me like a, you know, a little glowy dew. But I do like to set it at the end with like a setting spray. Just, you know, for my own purposes. So I'm pretty much done with the makeup part. And I'm just gonna set it with a dewy spray. And then I'm gonna apply the actual what's it called? Blush. And the what's that thing called? A mascara. So I'm gonna do this. So my skin but better. And I'm gonna do my hair and stuff off camera, and I'll come back to show y'all the finished look. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blush in Mood, and I put a little bit too much, but I'm just gonna apply it on the tip of my nose, up here, just to give me like a little color. Apply it to my nose. I don't want to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but... And their products are all creamy and very light. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand, but on my skin it looks different. So on my fingers, you see, it's a little bit. But on my face, it melts right on in. Right on in. You can also pop this on your lid if you want to, the rest of it, to give you some color. And what time is it? Because I gotta leave in like 45 minutes. So it's 4:15 and the dinner starts at 5. So yeah, I'm almost done with that. Oh, no. Oh, no. I messed up the blush. I'm gonna fix that later. Lastly, mascara. This is the only mascara they have on their website. And I did forget to mention that Merit Beauty is a clean luxury brand, and clean doesn't mean natural. It just means that it's formulated without any of those harsh ingredients like mineral oil, parabens, silicones, any of that harmful stuff. It just doesn't have it in it. And their products, like I said, are created with non-acne triggering ingredients. So for the girls with acne or acne prone skin, this will not cause any more acne. If anything, it should be more beneficial for your skin because it also addresses other concerns besides acne. So putting my little mascara on. I don't like putting a lot of mascara, just enough. That's that. And then I'm gonna apply my little gloss. This is not the one I was using. This one is a brand new one. As y'all can see, I have 2 of the same ones. Tell me I don't like them. Tell me I don't like them. I do. And I'm about to use this clear gloss. This has like a little bit shimmer in it, but I just use this because I'm about to eat, y'all. I ain't want to put in no lipstick and all of that on your lips. Load it up. And this is so hydrating, y'all. So this is my finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, put on some clothes, and I'll be back later to show y'all the full complete look for this video. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I took down my braids. I did apply my necklace on and this bracelet. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a brown 2-piece set from Snood. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in any of the products that I have shown or am wearing on my face, then don't forget to check out the link down in the description box. And don't forget that the sale ends November 28th for 20% off. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.